And now, we could probably fill an entire episode with the joys and occasional headaches of maintaining the perfect lawn. But with the right know-how and a little help from the right products, your lawn can be green on both sides of the fence.
Lawns, they form such an integral part of our gardens for the dogs to be able to run on, to throw the ball, to lie on and watch the sky, and to form the grounding of the busyness of our flower beds. No matter how bad our garden beds are, actually, truth be told, that as soon as you've got a good lawn, everything just seems to come into place. And of course, there are many, many ailments because it is fabricated. We're having this patch of green that we want to look good all year round. So there are some things that we come across, some challenges. And two of the most common areas that I'm going to touch on is, number one is weeds. And the second one is critters that come along and chomp at your manicured lawn. So here's a solution, guys, that will not only fertilize your lawn, but it also contains an insecticide that will get rid of those things that are chomping away at the lawn. This is a 9 kg bag. It's called 411. Most importantly, out of anything with any fertilizer is follow the instructions, and the instructions are very clearly marked. A 9 kg bag will cover 150 square meters very comfortably. And application rates vary on different fertilizers from 40 to 50 to 60 grams per square meter. And what is important is that we understand how much 60 grams is. Generally, it's a good handful. So a good handful of fertilizer is approximately 60 grams. And then you're good to go. Just don't apply too much. Too much ain't gonna do the job any better or quicker, in fact. And in fact, if we're using fertilizers, if they were not organic, especially chemical fertilizers, by applying too much, you can often have burning results, those yellow patches, once you've applied it onto the lawn. Once you've applied, give the lawn a really good watering, at least 10 minutes on the area. No longer will be needed. And that is as easy as that.